Programming your 2016-2017 Ford Explorer flip key fob is a straightforward process you can do yourself. It involves syncing the fob's unique code to your vehicle's body control module, BCM, using a series of steps. Note that while this is a DIY guide, professional assistance is recommended if you're uncomfortable with electrical systems to avoid voiding warranties or causing vehicle damage. Always consult your vehicle's manual and ensure compatibility. Make sure you have a working key, your new key fob, and access to the driver's seat. This only applies to vehicles you own. Reprogramming stolen fobs is illegal. Here's how to do it. First, ensure your Ford Explorer is off, all doors are unlocked, and you're in the driver's seat with your key fob ready. Insert your existing key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position. Do not start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 3 times in rapid succession within 10 seconds. The door lock should cycle to indicate you've entered programming mode. Within 20 seconds of the lock cycling, press any button on the new key fob. The door lock should cycle again to confirm the fob has been programmed. If you have additional fobs, repeat this step for each one, up to a maximum of 8 fobs per vehicle. Turn the ignition to the on position and wait for approximately 10 seconds, or simply remove the key from the ignition. The door lock should cycle one last time to confirm that you have exited programming mode. Test the programmed fob by locking and unlocking the doors using the fob's buttons. Also, test the remote start feature if your Explorer is equipped with it. If the programming is unsuccessful, consult a professional. According to a 2024 AAA survey, 25% of DIY attempts fail due to user error, like incomplete ignition cycling. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM codes if issues persist.